Gazelles are graceful, slender antelopes found primarily in Africa and parts of Asia. Known for their swift and agile movements, they can run at speeds of up to 60 miles per hour to evade predators. Gazelles typically inhabit open plains and savannas, where they feed on grasses, leaves, and shoots. They have a light brown coat with distinctive white underbellies and dark markings on their faces and flanks. Social animals. Gazelles often form herds for protection and social interaction. Their keen senses of sight, smell, and hearing help them stay alert to potential threats, ensuring their survival in the wild. Gazelles are medium-sized antelopes, typically standing 2–3.5 feet tall at the shoulder and weighing between 261–65 pounds, depending on the species. They are characterized by their slender bodies, long legs, and graceful necks. Their coats are usually light brown or tan with white underbellies and distinctive dark markings, such as stripes or patches on their faces and flanks. Females typically have horns, though the horns of males are usually longer and more curved. These horns can be lyre-shaped, ridged, or straight, varying among species. There are around 19 species of gazelles, including well-known ones like the Thomson's gazelle, Grant's gazelle, and the Arabian gazelle. Each species has adapted to its specific habitat, whether it be savannas, deserts, or grasslands. For example, the Thomson's gazelle is renowned for its agility and speed in the East African savannas, while the slender-horned gazelle is adapted to the harsh conditions of the Sahara Desert. Gazelles are predominantly found in the open plains, savannas, and grasslands of Africa, though some species inhabit arid desert regions and mountainous areas. The largest populations are found in East Africa, particularly in countries like Kenya and Tanzania. These regions provide the open landscapes that gazelles prefer, allowing them to spot predators from a distance and utilize their speed for escape. Gazelles are social animals, typically living in herds that can range from a few individuals to several hundred. These herds provide protection against predators, as the many eyes and ears can alert the group to danger. Within the herd, there are often smaller subgroups consisting of females and their young, while males may form bachelor groups or hold territories. Male gazelles are territorial, especially during the mating season. They will defend their territories from rivals through displays of dominance, which can include horn clashes, scent marking, and various posturing behaviors. These territories are often marked with urine or gland secretions to signal ownership to other males. Gazelles are herbivores, primarily feeding on grasses, leaves, shoots, and sometimes fruits and flowers. Their diet can vary depending on the availability of vegetation in their habitat. During the dry season, when food is scarce, gazelles can survive on dry grasses and browse on shrubs. They have adapted to extract maximum nutrition from their food and can go for long periods without drinking water, obtaining moisture from the plants they consume. Speed and agility. Gazelles are among the fastest animals on land, capable of reaching speeds of up to 60 miles per hour. This incredible speed, combined with their ability to make sharp turns and leaps, helps them evade predators like cheetahs, lions, and hyenas. Keen senses. Gazelles have excellent vision and hearing, allowing them to detect predators from a considerable distance. Their large, expressive eyes provide a wide field of view, while their acute hearing helps them pick up on subtle sounds in their environment. Efficient water use. Gazelles are well adapted to arid environments, with the ability to survive long periods without direct water intake. They obtain much of their needed moisture from the food they eat and can tolerate high body temperatures to conserve water. Camouflage. The light brown coloration of gazelles provides effective camouflage in their natural habitats, blending in with the grasses and shrubs to avoid detection by predators. Gazelles have a breeding season that varies depending on the species and environmental conditions. Males establish territories and compete for access to females through displays and fights. Once a female chooses a mate, gestation lasts about 5–6 months, resulting in the birth of 1 or 2 fawns. Newborn gazelles are highly vulnerable and spend their first few weeks hiding in tall grass, relying on their mothers for protection and nourishment. Mothers visit their hiding fawns several times a day to nurse them. Once the fawns are strong enough, they join the herd, where they learn to forage and navigate their environment. Gazelles typically have a lifespan of 10 to 12 years in the wild, though they can live longer in captivity. Gazelles face numerous predators, including cheetahs, lions, leopards, hyenas, and wild dogs. Their primary defense against these predators is their speed and agility. When threatened, gazelles perform a behavior known as stotting or pronking, where they leap high into the air with all four legs stiff. This display can confuse predators and signal to them that the gazelle is healthy and capable of escaping, potentially deterring an attack. In addition to natural predators, gazelles face threats from human activities such as habitat loss, hunting, and competition with livestock for resources. Overgrazing by domestic animals can degrade their habitats, and illegal hunting for bushmeat and trophies continues to pose a significant threat. Many gazelle species are currently facing declining populations due to habitat destruction, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these elegant animals and their habitats. Protected areas, such as national parks and reserves, play a crucial role in conserving gazelle populations by providing safe environments where they can thrive. Conservation organizations are also working with local communities to promote sustainable land use practices and raise awareness about the importance of protecting gazelles. Efforts to combat illegal hunting and establish wildlife corridors are essential to ensure the long-term survival of these species. Gazelles play a vital role in their ecosystems as both prey and grazers. As primary herbivores, they help maintain the balance of vegetation by grazing on grasses and shrubs. This grazing behavior promotes plant diversity and prevents overgrowth, which can benefit other herbivores and the overall health of the ecosystem. As prey animals, gazelles are a crucial food source for a variety of predators, supporting the populations of these carnivores. Their presence in the ecosystem helps regulate predator numbers and maintain a healthy predator-prey balance. Gazelles are remarkable animals that embody grace, speed, and resilience. Their ability to thrive in diverse and often harsh environments highlights their adaptability and importance in maintaining ecological balance. Understanding and appreciating gazelles' role in their ecosystems can inspire greater conservation efforts to protect these beautiful creatures for future generations. Through continued research, conservation initiatives, and sustainable practices, we can ensure that gazelles remain an integral part of the natural world, contributing to the biodiversity and health of their habitats.
Thanks for your subscribe, like, and comment.